Do you want to turn your photos into hand-drawn sketch style images using your S Pen? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Drawing Assist lets you restyle images with different AI effects. One of them is the sketch effect, which gives your photos a pencil-drawn look. Let me show you how to use it. First, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select an image from your gallery. Choose Sketch as the effect. If you cannot see it, tap View All and then select Sketch. Now tap Generate. When the result appears, tap Download to save it to your gallery. As a note, the sketch effect works best with simple object and scenery. If you choose the right photo, you can quickly create a clean sketch style image and save it directly to your gallery using the S Pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.